Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful girl that she would like to drink a glass of water, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be turned or transformed into this witchy and dramatic pose, and also the background can be changed too, and it is like that this water can be turned to the magic potion. Isn't that cool, right? How to do that? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here, or that I have used before, was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google Gemini AI. However, if you would like to access this Nano Banana via Google AI Studio, then it is pretty okay because this Nano Banana can be worked too. And don't worry, because I will also share you the prompt into this section or into the description box, so you can let us know too if this prompt also worked for you guys. And the next step is I would like to upload the image. So you can upload the image about, let's say, drinking of water, or a glass of a water, or even a bottle of the water, something like that. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. So you can give it a space, for example. It is really okay. For example, like this. Transform the person in the image into a dramatic Halloween scene where she is drinking a magical potion. She is holding a glass filled with a glowing, mystical elixir and emits vibrant orange and purple lights. So this is the light, guys. And after that, you can also add the detail, for example, casting the ethereal glow onto her face and surrounding, like this. And after that, her pose should be more dramatic, perhaps leaning back slightly or looking up with an expression of awe, curiosity, or a hint of transformation, but maintaining her original face, feature, and beauty, or maintaining the original face of this woman. And after that, you can also put the detail like the outfit like this. Her outfit should be changed into the witchy, elegant ensemble such as a dark, flowing gown or a stylish tunic with the intricate details. As you can see, this is the previous outfit of this woman, and after using that prompt, this outfit can be turned into this stunning gown and witchy. And also the background and overall atmosphere should be instinctively Halloween themed and spooky. So you can also add the additional things, like the imagine a dimly lit, enchanted room or a magical forest twilight with a subtle elements like glowing arcane symbol and twisted branches, like this. And also a full moon in the distance. And the lighting, this is one of the important things. The lighting should be atmospheric, emphasizing the glowing potion and creating deep shadows, enhancing the mystical and Halloween vibe. And after that, you can continue to click submit over here and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to generate this picture, like this. However, if you feel that this picture needs to be refined, or you need another version, or if you need more dramatic figure or picture, so you can click this redo and kindly wait for the another update or another output. So the result will be like this too. Isn't that cool, right? So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, and also if you'd like to use this prompt, please you can put your comment and also share to us into the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.